Hi, so I'm finally back with another video. So first I'm taking my EYN Bright Matte Palette, and I'm taking Heat Wave, um, the dark orange in the palette, and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. And I had forgot to set my eyelid primer, so that's why it's like a split, and then I come back and start applying the transition shade some more. Then I'm taking my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking So Warm and Rich, and I just put those below where I put my transition shade, and I just blended it in with it. Then I went back in with my EYN palette and took Grape Escape, one of the dark purples in the palette, and I just put that slightly below the browns I just used. And I took my Rimmel Color Edition palette, and I took a little bit of the blue and just put it in my crease, but I really kind of didn't mean to, but it was already on my brush, so I just put a little bit, and then I'm gonna put some of the purple in that palette. I took that dark purple in that same Rimmel palette, and I just put that in my crease just to start darkening it up more. Then I took my Morphe blending brush, and I just blended out the edges of the eyeshadow. Then I went back in with the EYN and took Stormy Night, that dark blue in the palette, and I just applied that in my eye socket, like deeper in my eye socket, for more definition. And I took Illicit, the black in the palette, and I put it in the same place that I put the blue. realized it was starting to kind of turn into a halo eye, so I just applied more of Stormy Night, the blue, and then I applied some more of the black on either side of my eye to form the halo eye. And just blending out the edges of those shadows. Then I took my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter, and I'm gonna use it as eyeshadow again because it's so pretty. It's like an eyeshadow because it's like so like yellowy gold. But yeah, I just put that in the middle where there was nothing. Then I took my Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in Desert Dazzle. I just took the glitter side and I just put a little bit of that like in the middle, but you couldn't really see it. I just added a little bit of it. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna line my eyes with that. I'm not gonna do wings. I never really do wings whenever I do halo eyes. I just feel like it looks better without wing liner. And I took my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara and I'm coating my real lashes before I put on false lashes. Then I took my Ruby Kisses pencil liner and put that in my waterline. And I took the Ienvy collection lashes in 153 and my lash glue in clear, and it'll be in the description box, and my LA Pro Girl primer, and I put that on the sides of my nose and on my nose. And then I took my NK pencil and just lined my lips with that. Couldn't even see me lining my lips. Then I took my the pencil liner that I use underneath my eyes. I have a mole, so now I like draw my mole back on because I don't like it being covered up. But I took my Smashbox lipstick in nude ombre and I applied that to the center of my lips, and I blotted and I applied more lip liner. Then I took my NYX lip lingerie, liquid lipstick and corset, and I applied a little bit over that lipstick. I still didn't really like it that much. I was applying more lip liner. I still didn't like it that much. So I took my Girlacktic lip gloss in Glow, I think, and put just a little bit of that in the center of my lip. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you watch this and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. I don't want to shy from you.